Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 7 Park Place in the town of Penfield.
This is a spectacular New England-style colonial adjacent to Ellison Park.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. This marvelous home is loaded with updates. Starting with a designer kitchen with beautiful cabinetry, granite countertops, black stainless steel appliances, a center island, and a dining area. Open to the spacious formal dining room with crown molding, French doors, and a bay window. And an expansive living room with built-ins and a gas fireplace. All with deck access and scenic nature views. The first floor also features a welcoming foyer with an adjacent den or office with French doors and crown molding, plus a powder room. The finished lower level provides great additional living space with a bonus room and a media room, plus great storage.
The upstairs features 4 spacious bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. This amazing owner suite has it all. A spacious bedroom, a walk-in closet, and a luxurious spa bathroom.
Enjoy the beauty of nature with over half an acre, with an expansive deck, overlooking the exquisite landscaping, and backing to Ellison Park. This premier location features exceptional privacy and minutes to everything Penfield has to offer. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 7 Park Place in Penfield.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!